Imagine a BMW that blends the aggression of an M car, the luxury of a flagship SUV, and the futuristic confidence of a concept vehicle brought to life. That's exactly the feeling the 2026 BMW X8 aims to deliver. From the moment it appears on screen, the X8 doesn't try to be subtle. It's bold, dominant, and designed to make a statement before the engine even starts. The exterior design is where the X8 instantly separates itself from anything else in BMW's lineup. The front end is massive and sculpted with a redesigned, illuminated kidney grille that looks sharper and more refined than ever, flanked by ultra-slim adaptive LED or laser headlights that give the car a predatory stare. The hood is long and muscular, with strong character lines flowing seamlessly into the sides. From the profile, the coupe-style roofline drops aggressively toward the rear, giving the X8 a sporty silhouette despite its large footprint. The wide stance, oversized alloy wheels, and flared arches make it clear this SUV is built for presence as much as performance. At the back, slim, horizontal LED taillights, a sculpted tailgate, and quad exhaust tips especially on performance variants add to its high-performance personality. Step inside, and the cabin feels like a preview of BMW's future. The 2026 X8 is expected to feature a fully digital, curved display that merges the instrument cluster and infotainment into one seamless glass panel. The system is powered by the latest iDrive software, offering ultra-smooth graphics, voice control, gesture controls, and over-the-air updates. The materials are top-tier everywhere you touch. From premium leather and Alcantara to brushed aluminum, carbon fiber, or open-pore wood trims depending on the variant. Ambient lighting flows across the dashboard and doors, creating a calm yet high-tech atmosphere at night. The seating position is commanding, and rear seat passengers are treated like first-class travelers with generous legroom. Optional, individual rear seats, and advanced climate and entertainment controls. When it comes to performance, the BMW X8 is expected to offer multiple powertrain options to satisfy different types of drivers. The standard models are likely to feature powerful, turbocharged inline-six engines with mild hybrid assistance, delivering smooth acceleration and impressive efficiency for a vehicle of this size. Higher trims could step into serious performance territory, potentially featuring a twin-turbo V8 with electrification, pushing power figures well beyond what most SUVs can offer. All-wheel drive comes standard, paired with a lightning-fast automatic transmission that keeps power delivery smooth and responsive. Despite its size, the X8 is engineered to feel surprisingly agile. Thanks to adaptive air suspension, rear-wheel steering, and advanced chassis tuning that adjusts automatically based on driving conditions. On the road, the X8 strikes a balance that BMW is famous for. In comfort mode, it glides over rough surfaces like a luxury sedan, isolating passengers from noise and vibration. Switch to sport mode, and the suspension tightens, throttle response sharpens, and the exhaust note deepens, transforming the X8 into something that feels far more athletic than its size suggests. Steering is precise and confident, making highway cruising effortless and spirited. Driving genuinely enjoyable. Technology and safety play a huge role in the X8's appeal. The 2026 model is expected to come loaded with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control with traffic jam assist, lane centering, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, and automated parking. These systems don't just add convenience. They actively reduce driver fatigue and enhance overall safety. BMW's focus on semi-autonomous driving makes long journeys easier and city driving less stressful. What truly makes the BMW X8 unique is how it positions itself in the market. It's not just another large luxury SUVs designed for buyers who want exclusivity, cutting-edge tech, and strong performance in one package. It sits above the X7 in terms of style and sportiness, offering a more emotional, design-focused alternative without sacrificing luxury or practicality. In the end, the 2026 BMW X8 feels like BMW's answer to those who want it all. Bold design, high-end luxury, advanced technology, and real performance wrapped in a futuristic package. It's not just about getting from point A to point B. It's about making every drive feel special, powerful, and unmistakably BMW.